There you go. Beautiful. Okay, so before we go, we just go do a little bit introduction and then we can go. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. This is Mushroom Driving School, driver training, and we got lovely
Marina.
Marina, she's really good, and she had 6 lessons in total with today's lesson together. So obviously we done moving off, stopping, turning left and right, crossroad. And today we're working on to the mini roundabout towards the end of the lesson now today. So we worked on the mini roundabout who has got priority. So she's really good. So now we go back again to get that confident more, right?
Yeah.
Good. Right, so if you watching the video or if you've got tests coming up or learn to drive, and this video would be useful for you. If you like the videos, please like, share, subscribe for more content like this, and we will upload this video on TikTok and YouTube. Okay, so are you ready, Marina?
Yeah.
So she's doing by herself. I'll just give her direction. Drive
Yeah.
Marina, please. Okay. Beautiful. Good. Nice. Yeah. Good. Beautiful. How's the moving off?
Good.
Well done. Good. Okay. So we just follow the layout of the road, yeah? Thank you. How's your view here?
Not good.
Good. Well done. That's good. So if the view is not good, what do you need to do?
Slow down.
There you go. Good. What's the reason of slowing down?
So I can wait and see.
Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Good. Beautiful. Nice. Good. So soon we're gonna approach a mini roundabout. Okay. Then at the mini roundabout, I would like you to turn right when you get to the roundabout. Yes. See where the white car was?
Yeah.
There. So after this road, you have a mini roundabout after this road. So do we need signal now or we cancel it first? Yes. Do you know why?
It's too early.
Yeah. So what about now?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Good. Now we're gonna go right. Is this open or closed?
Open.
Okay. Anybody from the right?
No.
Let's continue. Beautiful. Good. Right. Okay. So at this roundabout, I would like to turn left first exit. Good. Good. Good mirror. Good signaling. Well done. Nice. Okay. Well done. What about your position, Marina?
I need to go a bit more left.
Okay. So we wait for opportunity. Yes. Not yet.
Oh.
Not yet, yeah? You want to pull the brake? Pull the brake? That's good, yes? So, you have to be 100% maybe now?
Yeah.
Yes? That's good, yeah? Thank you. Okay, that one as well, yes?
Yeah.
You have got priority, you just jump in, yes?
Yeah.
Like earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's any sign can you see ahead?
Over another roundabout.
That's good. We're gonna be turning right, please, okay? Is this open or closed?
Closed.
Good. We're going right when it's safe, okay? You wanna go a little bit further forward? Okay, and then wait for opportunity. So which direction are we looking for the blocker?
Straight and
Okay.
there.
So keep looking. Keep looking. Yes?
Now.
Yes, good. So, yeah. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah? So don't give up, okay?
Yeah.
So when you look, keep looking, keep looking. You miss one opportunity, get another one, get another one, okay? roundabout which goes within there.
No.
Yes. All done. See?
Yeah.
That one was going round. All done. There you go. That's good. Make sense now?
Yeah.
Good. Beautiful. Well done. That was absolutely 10 out of 10. Okay, so now this roundabout, I would like you to turn right this time, please. Yeah, right. Yeah. Beautiful, yeah. And how's that now?
Good.
Good, well done. So are we gonna move away from the cars, yeah?
Yeah.
There you go. That's good, yeah, thank you. Good, nice. So now we're gonna approach into the big roundabout coming up. We're going ahead to Scoffley, yes?
Yeah.
So if we're going ahead to Scoffley, which is second exit, yeah?
Yeah.
So which lane do we need to stay?
Like.
So when we approach to the roundabout, at the moment you go one lane, correct?
Yeah.
But when you approach to the roundabout, the one lane is split to two, right and left, right?
Yeah.
So
They're like outside one.
yes, so left lane, isn't it? Yeah. Then we're gonna go ahead second exit. Then once we pass the first exit, what we need to do?
Signal left.
Yes, good. Before signaling, what we need to do?
Signal right.
No.
No.
Before signaling, what we need to do? Which way are you gonna check?
My mirror.
Yes, the mirror is good. So stay, and when we get there, stay in the left lane, okay?
Yeah.
Then when it's safe, we're gonna go straight ahead, okay? Beautiful, beautiful. That's good, that's good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Look, 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 look. Look, okay. Safe? Yes? Continue,
Yeah.
good, keep going, good. Stay where you are, yes, good. So once you pass the first exit, what do you need to do now?
Mirror right and signal left.
Yes, beautiful. Then you can go.
Yeah.
That's good. Make sense?
Yeah.
You just done a big roundabout. Nice. Yes, beautiful. And stay closer to that.
White line.
There you go. How's the big roundabout?
Good.
Good. Start to rain slowly. roundabout. When we get there, I'll go to turn right, please.
That might have been a bit early.
Yes, I noticed that, yeah?
Yeah.
So about 6 to 8 car length, yeah? But have a look to the right. Anybody on the right? No?
No.
Keep going now. That's what we're waiting for. We'll just go round the roundabout, right? That's it.
Thanks
That
for
white cross
watching,
will wait for you.
and
See?
I'll see you in the next
Yeah?
lesson.
Yeah.